Hello, kindergarten. Today we are going to make a pattern and we're going to do something with it. And you're going to have a little bucket that looks like this and you're going to have to share. Everybody has 4 different colors. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit. These are called marker daubers and you don't squeeze them really hard. You make sure that when you're opening them, you're very careful. You set the cap aside. And we've already talked about lines and patterns, and I want you to fill this whole thing up with the pattern. So if you remember, artist, what line is this? That's right, it's a zigzag. Now see how I'm holding this up and down, okay? And I have my plastic mat underneath. Artist, there's one thing I forgot, and I'm so sorry. Don't forget to write your name on the bottom left. So we need to remember to start with that first because I'll be pre-showing you this video. And then I very carefully hold my paper so it won't move, okay? I'm not squeezing it. Now I'm done with the blue. I'll put my cap back on, put it in my bucket, and let somebody else use it. There's other line you can do dotted. Okay, see how that one didn't come out enough? So I might just keep pressing down on the paper. I can come back. I kind of like the way that looks, actually. So then I'm making a pattern, filling up my paper. Now, do you see how the whole circle is being filled in, artist? Now that I've got the paint has come down, close that cap. I want you thinking of I could do a dashed line. I could even do a curvy, wavy line. See how there's a little bit more paint here? And when you get done with this, you're going to set this, leave it on its mat, and put it on the rack. Everybody say that. Leave it on its mat and put it on the rack. And you're going to start at the bottom of the rack and work your way up. And you're going to fill it all in. You can have 4 colors on yours, okay? Then make sure, please do not put paint on top of wet paint because you will mess it up. So now I'm just doing my dots all the way through. And I'll show you next time you come in what we're going to do with these.